If you've been looking for a way to create free virtual credit cards, I got good news for you, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you two different methods and how you can get virtual debit and credit cards that are both Visa and MasterCard for completely free right now today, which using these, you will be able to use these cards on things like free trials, as well as signing up for sites that you're not 100% confident in, as well as just having some basic user protection from yourself, because as we all know, the internet is a dangerous place and there is a lot of scam links out there, and sometimes you just want to buy something from a site, but you want to make sure that it's not linking back to your main card. I use my virtual debit cards for almost everything. I use it for my gym subscription, for my YouTube premium subscription, even my domain balance is bought through a virtual credit card. I basically buy most things these days through a virtual credit card, and I would highly recommend most people do the same. If you're also like me and you have a lot of different bank accounts, then using a virtual debit card for one as well is also going to be a good layer of protection for you in terms of security. And I know that it's something that a lot of people have been looking for, so I'm more than happy to provide. Because on the Xavier channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you the easiest ways to go ahead and make some free money online, whether that's from free trials or from a lot of other methods. And on this channel, I am basically the only guy out here that is actually providing you the value-based information that you've been looking for. So if you want more value-based information just like this, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as turning on post notifications, as well as liking the video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we're just gonna jump right in. So the first thing that you guys are gonna wanna do is that you're gonna wanna go to the first link in the description, and you're gonna wanna sign up for today's site called Privacy. As you can see right here, I have been spending a lot of money through Privacy, and I would highly recommend everybody go ahead and sign up for Privacy, because in my opinion, Privacy is the easiest way to go ahead and get completely free virtual credit cards. So as you can see right here, I literally have dozens of these. I have 26 virtual credit cards, and it's so easy to go ahead and create a virtual credit card through Privacy. However, there's a couple things to mention. One, you need to be US based with a US based phone number. If you don't have a US based phone number, but you do want to be US based either through a VPN, you can use a site like Text Verified, which I use all the time, to go ahead and buy text/SMS service listings. You can go ahead and buy Privacy, and you can get a verification code from Privacy for only about $1, which obviously is a very, very good deal. So I have a link for Text Verified below if having a non-US based number is a problem for you. On top of that, Privacy does require you to input your SSN. So if you're not comfortable, unfortunately, this method is not going to work for you. However, I do have one more method that you might be able to use to go ahead and get a virtual debit card like this. But I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be as convenient, and it's not going to be as easy as going ahead and just using Privacy, because going ahead and making a new card with Privacy is super easy. I'll just show you right now. If I go ahead and hit this new card button, as you can see right here, it says nickname. Let's say I can say Netflix. I can hit save, and then I can set a monthly limit of only, let's say, $1. And then you can see right here that I can use this card to get the free trial from Netflix, and I can hit that create card button. And as you can see right here, I have this card right here. You can even see the numbers for it. You can see the expiration date. And then also Privacy will also show you a transaction history. So I'm going to go ahead and close this card, and you can see how easy it is to go ahead and open and close cards. So if I go ahead and show off this card, this is a card that I used to buy something for one of my websites. It was WordPress forums. As you can see right here, it go ahead and shows me what I spent, when I spent it, and what the spending limit. On top of that, there's a lot of different kind of spending limits that you can go ahead and set up. You can set up per year, you can set up per transaction, per month, or a total. I usually set up a total if it's for a free trial, but you can also set up for a per month if it's something that you want to be repaying monthly. Discord Nitro, you can also use this for Discord Nitro. And the best part about using a Privacy card over the other method that I'm going to be showing you guys is that no company is going to be able to tell that this is a virtual credit card. To companies, these are real cards that actually exist. It's basically impossible for them to tell if they're fake. But I know a lot of people are uncomfortable with going ahead and putting in their SSN, or they don't have a US-based phone number. So Privacy isn't going to work for you, then that's all right. You can go ahead and use this second method right here, which this second method is going to be going ahead and buying a Visa debit card from your local store. So you can go into any large discount retailer, even most gas stations will have these. You'll see that there is these little Visa gift cards that you can go ahead and buy. And the problem with these is that obviously they're not virtual. You can't just create them from your computer. You have to go into a store and buy them. But the nice thing is that you can just pay for them with cash. You don't need a SSN or anything to buy these. And on top of that, you can just use this card every now and then. And if it has like a $5 spending limit, then you're basically not going to be able to go through a free trial, but it will cost you that $5 to go ahead and use a chunk of it for that one subscription. But the nice thing about them is that you can basically use them for almost anything. I did this for a long time when I was young, and I would buy Steam games with it, and I would buy Discord Nitro with it. I would go ahead and just start the subscription, and then I would cancel it. And then you can also use the same Visa debit card for a lot of other different things. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did find it interesting or engaging, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button, as well as going ahead and commenting down below any future videos that you want me to make. And as always, thank you for watching, and I genuinely do hope you have a good rest of your day.